Assalamu alaikum. How are you everybody? Hope you are well. In this video I'm gonna talk about cup shape semi-automatic mask making machine. This is N95 3M grade mask making machine, and today I will discuss about this design. Let me show you first what is included in the design folder. Here is the main design folder. There are CAD drawings. CAD drawings looks like this. Here you can see, I can open one of them. The CAD drawing looks like this. Okay, CAD drawings looks like this. If I close it, go back, and here is general format assembly drawing. Here is the steps and XT file. Okay, steps and ST file, and of course there is a bill of materials, a list, and here is the Solidwork 2D and 3D file. Here is, you can see Solidwork 2D and 3D. If I open this solid part file, it looks like this, and if I open the same one 2D version, you'll get all measurement and dimensional details. Okay, here you can see all measurement and dimensional details. So here is the main file. I have opened the biggest one, this one. Okay, this is 11.1 MB file size, and here is the file. So let me show you what is included in the part file. Here you can see all part file loaded very perfectly. There are no missing. Looks great. Let me show you the 3D angle view from different side, then you can understand and get some basic idea about this machine. Okay, so let's stop it. Looks like the alignment is not correct, so make it right alignment. Let's disassemble this machine and discuss about some procedure to make and working process of this machine. If I open this, here is the material frame. It looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 layers. You can also use for 4 layers. It is up to you. So you have the freedom, and here is the tension clip. By the tension clip, all the materials goes in perfectly. Okay, so if I come here you can see this part is easy to make and everybody knows how to make. So I'm gonna hide this thing. Okay, now we have the main part, and here is the main part. If I hide one by one, then you can see what is inside the machine, and we will talk about this. There are some very interesting thing inside, so you will get some ideas about how this machine works. Here is some outside case. If you like, you can make it without the case, but it is the design comes like this, so it's better to follow the design. Here is the glass. By this glass you can see what is actually going on inside. Alright, so it looks good, and let's see what is inside the box under the table. In some previous mask making machine design, we have experienced that the main ultrasonic device set under the table, and the ultrasonic control box is also under the table. So let's check, is there any same kind of cases for this machine too. Here is one ultrasonic machine. Here you can see connected just from this side, and this one also looks like ultrasonic machine. Here is the control box. Here is the control box of ultrasonic machine, or even you can connect some other mechanism with the control box, such as PLC. But unfortunately the PLC of this machine didn't come with it. so you need to manage it by yourself. So here you can see the fabrics. Okay, here you can see the fabrics comes like this. This is the input fabrics system, and after coming here, this big roller is like moving in a circular way like this. And here is one punch machine, here is another punch, here is another punch, and here is the cutting unit. So by those 4 processing, the full mask has been made, and here is the output conveyor belt. After coming here, it just automatically get output by the push of some pneumatic mechanism here. Okay, so if I zoom in a little bit, then you can understand and get the shape here. Okay, here you can see the cup type mask shape, and when the mechanical head push on it, the ultrasonic machine push on it, the fabrics just get shaped by the pressure of ultrasonic and by the pressure of heat. Okay, so that's the main mechanism. Okay, and here you can see the pneumatic movement systems are implemented here, and by the pneumatic systems, it is just like pushing and getting back, pushing and getting back like this. So this is like a very interesting machine, not that complicated what you are thinking like other machine. And this is just a cup shaped machine, and you need to attach its nose bar externally, and you need to attach its ear lobe externally. Okay, and here you can see the mold. Okay, here you can see the mold and mold holder, and mold holder is like circular way, it is moving like this. And this is very interesting machine, and if you see the video, then you will get some idea how this machine how this machine works actually in the production environment. Here is the ultrasonic horn. This horn shape is circular and round shape, and you will get this kind of horn and ultrasonic machine ready to buy from the market. You no need to customize it, because this is popular machine and many people are buying this ultrasonic machine with this kind of horn. But here is the extruder of ultrasonic machine, and here is actually the frame with a pneumatic movement head. Okay, so if we come here, okay, so it's almost disappeared. So if I put back everything in the software panel, then we will get the machine like this. So that's our machine, and this machine is very effective. You can make 3M cup shape respiratory mask by this machine. And of course, the spare parts are available to buy. If you want to buy something from China, you're welcome to contact with me. And that's all for today's video, and hope I'll be back with new interesting